Ni magogona maria matongoririo ni majaji ya igoti nene magavana ya makioya mihitwa yao kuringana na watho aria aramithi ya mbere thutha wa thiku 10 kuma riria maumirira ma muthia manirirwo ni kamite ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC.
Sakaja Arthur Johnson.
Kaunti ya Nairobi, Governor Mweru Johnson Sakaja akioya matamu ma wathani kuma kuri uria urare Governor Ann Kananu igogona riria ritafanirio nyumba-ini ya mishemanio ya KICC Nairobi. Sakaja agikinyiriria kuhingia ciiraniro iria erire aikari a Nairobi hĩndĩ ya kambeni.
Of Nairobi has been a story that has been unfolding for decades. It has many authors. This is just a new chapter, and I hope this will be its best chapter yet.
President Muthuri Dr. William Ruto ni umwe wa atongoria aria megwikinyitie igogona-ini riri. Ruto akiranira kurutithania wira na thirikari cia county gutigirira kigina kiria kigayagirwo thirikari ici ni kiamakinyira ihinda riria riagirire hatari gucererwo.
Will be available to consult. You know the commitments we already made to the people of Nairobi with respect to market infrastructure, the commitments we have made in matters collection and management of garbage.
Honorable Dr. Paul Kimani Wamatangi.
Kiharu-ini gia Kirigiti kaunti ya Kiambu ni kuo Kimani Wamatangi yahitithirio ta gavana mweru wa kaunti ino. Wamatangi uria ukoretwo agitungatira muingi wa Kiambu ta senator ni eranire gukuruhania atongoria a ikiro ciothe niguo gukinyaniria uthii wa na mbere.
Ni wira mwatuhe na ni twirutire kuruta wira ucio tukumuria mutunyitirire na tutire handu oro na hamwe tukumuhingisha.
Honorable Dr. Irungu Kangata.
Kaunti ya Murang'a uria urari senator Irungu Kangata ni oire mwihitwa wake ta governor mweru wa kaunti ino ariwe governor wa keri thutha wa uria urari governor Mwangi wa Iria gutiri haikerekania kiria keri.
I do not have a monopoly of knowledge, and therefore please my colleagues in the race, my office is open and we shall work together to uplift the people of Murang'a County.
Magogono tamaya no mathire na mbere kaunti-ini cia Nyeri, Nyandarua na Laikipia. Governor Mutahi Kahiga, Moses Kiarie Badilisha na Joshua Irungu magitutirithia wirutiri wao hari gukinyaniria mogaruruku kaunti-ini ici.
My commitment is that by the end of my term of service you will be as proud of me as I am proud of you today.
Thank you.
The sole agenda of leadership is to get things done.
Sasa milango imefunguka, mnaweza kuingia kwa ofisi ya gavana wenu na unaweza kusema ni nafasi gani unaweza kushikilia katika ukuzaji wa uchumi wetu hapa Nyandarua.
Kaunti cia Mombasa na Kakamega no cio magogona maya matanathie na mbere thutha wa ithurano cia ugavana gutirio ni kamite ya IEBC. Rumwingi kuma kaunti ici ugitanywo gukarika ndebe-ini muthenya wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite.